How to do SFS on Snapchat. So if you want to do and know how does the SFS actually work, then this video might help you. Make sure you watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at this section of Snapchat from where you will be able to take various Snapchat photos or videos. So as a refresher, you need to know that SFS means Snapchat for Snapchat or Snap for Snap. So it's basically giving shout out to someone so that they will be able to get the audience or get the followers. So for example, if you take a snap of something over here, for example, let me take a snap of something, this appearance. At the upper section you can see the text option. If you tap over there, and you can tap over the mention option and mention someone whom you want to give shout out to. For example, if you want to give this person a shout out, then you just can mention their name over here, and you can send this snap to your friends so that your friends also will be able to get to know the person that you have mentioned over here. So it's basically giving shout out. If one of your person has given you shout out or done SFS to your ID, then this actually happens. And you can also do your SFS to someone you want like this. That's the thing. So I hope this was helpful and you are able to know. If you do have some queries, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.